హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం సింగరేణి కాలేజ్ జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ సంబంధించిన కొన్ని ఎంసీక్యూస్ కంప్యూటర్ బేసిక్స్ పైన కొన్ని ఎంసీక్యూస్ చేద్దాం. దీస్ ఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ సింపుల్ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ హూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్? హూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్? అండ్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cradle, Augusta Adaming. And the answer is option 2, Charles Babbage. Okay, option 2 is the right answer, Charles Babbage. Next question. Who is the father of computer science? Intamundu father of computers, ikkada father of computer science. And again, same options, Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, and Augusta Adaming. And the answer is option 1, which is Alan Turing. Alan Turing is the father of computer science. Next question vachesi, who is the father of personal computer? Who is the father of personal computer? And the answer is option 1 again, Edward Robert. Edward Robert is the father of personal computers. Right, next one. What does RAM stand for? RAM stand for. Options are random origin money, random only memory, read only memory, random access memory. And the answer is option 4, which is random access memory. Random access memory. Next question vachesi, 1 byte equals to how much? 1 byte equals to how much? The options are 8 bits, 4 bits, 2 bits, 9 bits. These are the options and the answer is option 1, which is 8 bits. 1 byte equals to 8 bits. Next question vachesi, RAM is an example of secondary memory, primary memory, main memory, both 1 and 2. So random access memory is a primary memory. Okay, option 2 is the right answer, primary memory. Next vachesi, the brain of any computer system is. The brain of any computer system is. The options are ALU ante arithmetic logic unit, memory, CPU central processing unit, and control unit. So the brain of any computer system is, the brain of any computer system is option 3, central processing unit. The brain of any computer system is central processing unit, CPU. Next vachesi, storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on. Storage capacity of magnetic disk depends upon. It depends on tracks per inch of surface, bits per inch of tracks, disk pack in disk surface, all of the above. So storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on all the three. 1, 2, 3. It depends on tracks per inch of surface, bits per inch, as well as disk pack in disk surface. That means option 4 is the right answer. Storage capacity of magnetic disk. Next vachesi, the two kinds of main memory are. The two kinds of main memory are primary and secondary memory, random and sequential, ROM and RAM, all of the above. And the answer is the two kinds of main memory are RAM and ROM, random access memory and read only memory. Right, next vachesi, UNIVAC stands for what? UNIVAC stands for what? It stands for, the options are universal automatic computer, universal array computer, unique automatic computer, unvalued automatic computer. And the answer is universal automatic computer. Universal automatic computer. Next question, The basic operations performed by a computer are the basic operations performed by a computer are arithmetic operations, logic operations, storage and relative, all of the above. Now it is clear కంప్యూటర్ అనేది ప్రతి ఒక్కటి అరిథమెటిక్ ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తుంది, లాజికల్, స్టోరేజ్ అండ్ రిలేటివ్. ఈ ఆపరేషన్స్ కెన్ బీ డన్ బై ద కంప్యూటర్. దేర్ఫోర్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ 4 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది అబవ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ అ ప్రైమరీ స్టోరేజ్ డివైస్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద following is used as a primary storage device? RAM, hard disk, floppy. Okay, here primary storage device is nothing but RAM, random access memory. That is option 1 is the right answer. Which of these is a point and draw device? Point and draw device options are mouse, scanner, printer, CD-ROM, and the answer is option 1 which is mouse. Mouse is a pointer as well as a drawing device, so therefore mouse is the correct answer, which is option 1. What is a URL? Right, it's an interesting question. URL ante enti? A computer software program, a type of programming object, the address of a document or a page on the World Wide Web, or an acronym for unlimited resources for learning, and none of the above. URL full form enti? Or it's not full form. URL ante ardham enti? It is nothing but the address of a document or page on the World Wide Web. World Wide Web is nothing but www. So our answer is option 3, which is address of a document or page on the World Wide Web. Next question వచ్చేసి all the deleted files go to where? Where do all the deleted files go? Options recycle bin, taskbar, toolbar, and my computer. All the deleted files go to the recycle bin. That means option 1 is the right answer. Next question వచ్చేసి you organize files by storing them in. You organize files by storing them in either archives or folders, indexes or lists, and we generally after organizing we store the files in folders. That means option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question, memory unit is one part of. Memory unit is one part of the central processing unit, that is nothing but CPU. So therefore option 4 is the right answer. Memory unit is a part of central processing unit, which is CPU. Next question, which one of the following is a hardware and not a software? Which of the following is a hardware and not a software? Excel, CPU, printer, device, operating systems. దీంట్లో which is all this Excel, printer, driver, operating systems are softwares, whereas CPU, central processing unit, is a hardware. That means option 2 is the right answer. Next question, what is MP3? Is it a mouse, printer, scanner or sound format? MP3 as we know it is a sound format. Option 4 is the right answer. MP3 is a sound format. Next question వచ్చేసి using output devices one can input data, store data, scan data, view or print data. Using output devices తో మనం ఏం చేయగలుగుతాం? We can view as well as print data. Okay, we can view as well as print data. That is option 4 is the right answer. Right, that's all for this video. Thank you.